Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful patterns of hemline embroidery borders. You can say borderline embroidery designs for dresses, for frocks, for baby girl skirts, for a different type of DIY home decor ideas like table mat, like floor mat, like cushion covers, like pillow covers, like curtain designings, like bedsheets and different type of stylized ideas are not only limited to this. You can also design these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto various variety of things, like you can make four corners of your dupatta beautiful, like the pallu of your saris, like the borderline of your saris, like the sleeve borders of your blouses, shirts, tops, skirts. So the broad perspective and the creativity of these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery is very vast. All I want you to watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing and trendy beautiful ideas. And one more thing, guys, that very beautiful, easy, beginner friendly hand embroidery stitches have been used, ranging from French knot, satin stitch, forward stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch to the creative embroidery patterns. I would recommend you to use the exactly same patterns so that you can get the exactly same design that which you are seeing into uh, onto your design screens. So with this, do let me know that which design you like the most and which pattern you have tried. Try these patterns and share your experiences in the comment section with us. And guys, do let us know that what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. If you have any query, question, or any uh, discussion or any views to share, you can add it in the comment section, because your comments are the only way through which we get to know about our YouTube friends and family members' personal choices and interests. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.